In this video, I'll show you how to create a page in Microsoft OneNote. Whether you're using OneNote on Windows or in your web browser, the process is fast and simple, and once you know where to click, you can start taking notes in seconds. Before creating a page, it helps to understand the structure. A notebook is like a binder, sections are the tabs inside it, and pages are where your actual notes live. So first, open the notebook and select the section where you want your new page. This keeps everything organized from the start. On OneNote for Windows, open your notebook and click into the correct section. Look to the page list, usually on the right side. Click the Add Page button, sometimes shown as plus page, and a blank page will appear instantly. At the top, type a clear title. This title becomes the page name in your list, so choose something easy to recognize later. After that, just start typing your notes. If you want to reorder pages, click and drag the page title up or down in the list. And if you ever need to remove a page, right-click its name and choose Delete Page. On OneNote for the web, the steps are almost the same. Open your browser, go to your notebook and select the section you want. At the bottom of the page list, click plus page to create a new page. Add your title at the top and start writing. If you want better structure, you can turn a page into a subpage by right-clicking it and choosing Make Subpage. This is useful for keeping related notes grouped together. That's all there is to it. You now know how to create, organize, and delete pages in OneNote on both Windows and the web, making it easy to capture ideas and keep your notes neatly organized.